Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 2004 Porsche 911 C4S Cabriolet. It's a C16 UK car finished in Arctic silver with full black leather upholstery. Covered 55,000 miles from new. It's a manual car, it's got full service history, and it's an highly optioned car. We'll show you some of the options as we walk you around the car. As you'll see, the paintwork gleams in this lovely sunshine. Wide bodied cars, same as the turbo, but with less expense. The cars sit on these 18-inch 5-spoke turbo look wheels. This car's got Michelin Pirelli P0 tyres and 4 high-speed rating, all in great condition. The car's also got the optional R-top, which obviously on daylight today isn't on, it's in storage. We'll show you it in a moment, or you can see the photos on the website with the car with the R-top fitted. Okay, as we said, the car's got some nice options. Starting at the front, we've got these Tiptronic xenon headlamps with high pressure wash. Red calipers showing through there, brake discs in great condition. Okay, the first thing you notice on the back are the rear park sensors, factory fitted, and also the factory fitted sports exhaust. As we open the door, you'll see the full black leather upholstery, which is in great condition. Certainly doesn't look like it's done 50,000 miles or more. There's a leather dashboard there. Coming into the footwells, the car's got the original Porsche overmats there. It's got the PCM sat nav and telephone module there, and also both speakers. Electrically operated front seats. In the back, again, the mats are protecting the floor, and it's got leather seats in the back, or if you prefer, drop the seats down for a luggage shelf. It's got black soft top, which is in great condition. We'll pop that up in a moment for you. As we come into the driver's side, first thing you'll notice in here, it's got the memory seats for the driver, electrically operated, and again the leather is in a lovely, slightly reused condition. Also, with the memory seats, the car is complemented by heated front seats, dual stage. It's a trip computer, cruise control. It's got the aluminium look white instruments there. Aluminium gear lever, 6-speed manual obviously.
The arrows on the display.
Aluminium handbrake lever, 3-spoke steering wheel, and also, as per the new order form, it's got the stainless steel Carrera sill guards. Detail on the car is lovely. A few stone chips to the front. Other than that, it's a very nice all-round car. I'll pop the hood up now for you. Just show you under the bonnet and the boot. Under the Luggage area. Again, no sign of any accident damage. Nice all-round condition. The car's got the Porsche CDC 4-disc CD changer in the front there. Again, the carpet in the front is in great condition. Under the carpet we've got the tools, the compressor, and also a warning triangle. So the original data card stuck under the bonnet there. Always a nice sign that there's been no accident damage. Under the engine compartment, 3.6 litre flat 6 engine, 320 brake horsepower, obviously fuel injected. Again, nice and clean. Okay, we'll pop the roof up for you now. Okay, glass rear window with heated rear window, so it's a black canvas roof in nice condition, few slight fold marks, nothing to worry about. So there we have it, one lovely C4S Cabriolet 6-speed manual. We'll take you down the road in a few moments, just show you how well it goes. If you are interested, give us a call 01507 606 725 or woldsideclassics.co.uk. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz of the road in this low mileage 911 C4S. Sports exhaust singing away nicely. Gears, 6-speed manual obviously, top gear, steering straight ahead, no vibrations or anything. Good all round car, the sat nav set up, it's got PSN plus suspension management there, heated seats with don't lead, it's a lovely summer's day. Down the gears, braking, no vibration on the steering wheel, no clunking on the gears. Everything's as it should be. Very clean car, all the carpets great, no sign of anyone smoking in the car ever. Still very usable. Low mileage ones are becoming quite rare now. Crystal acceleration as you'd imagine, just as nice as dawdling around. So we hope you've enjoyed the video and enjoyed the photos on the website. If you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.